Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Ogechi. In this video I'll be showing you how to make custard. I am using bird's eye custard as it has no taste and I like them very much. It does the job for me. So this is custard from Basics, so you need to take as much custard as you would want. Today I'm using 2 tablespoons of custard as it does come up quite big once it's all done. So add some water to your custard to dissolve it until all the lumps are gone. So add bit by bit, do not add too much water. A good gauge would be maybe about 2 to 4, if not 6 tablespoons of water. If you can measure tablespoons of water, just make sure it's all dissolved, because if you add too much water your custard will be watery. So as you can see, I'm trying to stir around while I'm stirring and making sure that all the lumps are out. Use cold water, please do not use hot water. I'm using cold water here. Sometimes I use milk. In another video I'll do a milk version of this video, but this is custard from scratch. This is the basic one that we often have as a custard before you add anything else. So yeah, all the lumps are gone, and that's how you want your custard to look like. So very soon, sorry guys if my video is shaky, I'm literally holding my hand and doing this whole thing, so I'm trying to keep my camera now in a particular setting or session so that I could video properly without shaking too much. Oh, come on, you can do it, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, so the camera is not set. I've started boiling my hot water. For you to get the excellent custard, you have to make sure that your water is like boiling hot. I'm not doing it on a stove or a cooker because many people do it on a cooker, but I often do my custard with hot water and it works out perfectly well. It even works out better than when you put it on the cooker to make. So I'm just waiting for my hot water to finish boiling. Do it as soon as, if you can notice, I'm putting the hot water now and it has boiled. Don't let it rest too much. As it's boiling up, make sure you use the hot water. Then if you let it rest, then the hot water cools down and it doesn't get the custard to become a good consistency. So all you need to do is, as you're pouring in the hot water, keep stirring, never stop, never ever stop until you get the consistency that you want. So continue stirring vigorously until you get that sort of consistency, and that's the consistency that I wanted for this particular custard. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, so you can always make it a bit watery according to how thick or thin you wish by adding more hot water. So the key to making a good custard, I'm telling you, is that the hot water has to be boiling. It has to finish boiling straight away, and then you make your custard with that hot water. If you do not do that, it doesn't come out nice. So what I'm doing now is just adding sugar to taste. 2 tablespoons of sugar, since I did 2 tablespoons of custard. That to me is sweet enough, but you can always add more sugar or less sugar depending on your sweet tooth, like how sweet you like your stuff to be. So I'm just stirring the sugar and then it will dissolve within it to make it really nice. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.